Okay, guys, it's the basic turn straddle, 3 kicks. Get ready. 5, 6, 7, basic. Turn and straddle. Give me 3 kick repeater, please. 3, 2, other side. 3 kick repeater. 3, 2. Give me that half a butterfly. Now go diagonal. Give me a full U-turn. Kickball, change that corner. Give me that L step. 1 basic, reverse repeater around. Give me 1 basic, knee up, back it up. Give me that A step, please. Walk around, knee up, back it up. Give me inner thigh, the corner. 1 more. Now abductor, pivot out to the left. Basic, turn and straddle. 3 kick repeater. 3, 2, 1. Again. 3, 2. We got half a butterfly. Now go diagonal and full U-turn. Kickball, change that corner. Give me that L step. Give me 1 basic. Reverse repeater around, please. 1 basic. Knee up, back it up. A step. Nice, guys. Come on. Walk around. Knee up, back it up. Ooh. Inner thigh here. Give me 1 abductor. Now pivot out to the right. You got it. Keep going. Hey guys, I'm Step Jam Master Dre, and I'm with Step Jam Master Robin, and we're going to be breaking down Deep Inside, one of the hottest house songs back in the day, especially in Chi-Town, where we're from. So we're going to start with just a basic, and then we're going to do a turn step right into a straddle with 3 kick repeaters, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, right basic, then turn and straddle, right into the straddle. And straddle, straddle. From here, it's step up, is 3, 2, 1, down, down, step, 3, 2, 1, down, down. Now you're going to do a half a butterfly. So just half a butterfly, okay? Now you're going to go diagonal on your step. And you're going to do a full U-turn. So what a full U-turn means is you're going to turn all the way back into your step, okay? So let's go slow-mo. So it's up, up. You do your pause. You come back around, turning into your step, and you're back into this corner. So you're away. That's home over there. You're away, and you're going to be doing a kickball change in this corner. So it's here we go.
These are great acoustics.
I know. I sound good, don't I? I'm not Deep inside, deep, deep. Okay. Hey guys, it's